Unposted Letters by Madhurya Ra is a legible book. It has around 66 letters in it, and I have divided them into 12 sections. So let's get started. The first topic is relationships. Do you know the real reason to be happy or sad? It's relationships. Happiness does not matter on how much money you have. What matters is our relationship with people. The better our relationships, the happier we are in life. Sometimes relationships, when observed, show us our true selves. People in our lives can be a reflection of who we really are and how we treat people. You would have also heard about Show Me Your Friends and I'll Tell You Who You Are. The book also contains few thoughts regarding marriages. That is, one should respect each other's space, likes, dislikes, priorities to develop good results in marriage. Similarly, true joy arises when we learn to love people and utilize things rather than loving things and using people. These days, in modern world of social media, it has become rigid to develop a community of supportive friends and family. It needs really great hard work to build relationships. So we guys should make effort to build relationship in real world rather than faking it on social platforms. Success. If you want success, you have to go through a lot, like really a lot. Being successful is not that easy, be it a sport, education, or other activities. You have to face bigger issues if you are going to have big ambitions. So stop shedding tears and forget that attitude of giving up. Face whatever comes through your way. Trust me, you're going to make through it. I've seen people expecting easy wins and early success and quitting just because they are not getting results up to their expectations. This is really a wrong attitude to show towards your passion. It disappoints me to see many who want to win but lack the willingness to prepare to win. Be it a calligraphy class, coaching class, gym, cricket, or any other sport, you are definitely not going to get result in 1 month. It is going to take what it takes to become what you want to become. I've seen people waiting 8 to 10 years just to become what they want to become. So you have to be completely patient and devoted to get unbelievable results. Breaking the pattern. Constantly following the same routine and working towards what you want is going to drain you like anything. You will not be able to achieve what you aspire for in spite of putting so much of efforts. Everyone here needs a break, that is holiday, where you can breathe fresh air, look ahead, give time to your family. A break from work means coming back with more and more energy. So we all need a break or else we will break down. Stress management. Do you know what causes stress? Let me help you with this. Stress is caused due to anxiety, guilt, low self-esteem, which seriously frustrates our brain and can also lead to illness. All this psychological pressure and tension is caused due to procrastination. That is, the gap between something should have been done and when it was eventually done. So procrastination should be ceased. Task or a situation should be faced at that time so it doesn't seem difficult later. Same goes with reaching to office, school, meetings, or any other place. You should be 10 to 15 minutes early to whatever place you are going so that there will be no stress related issues. Wrong questions. Have you heard people asking, why is this happening to me? Why me? I used to ask these questions a year before, and things got really worse and intense while facing the situations. These are all wrong questions and they don't even have correct answers. Correct approach towards this is, let's face them, become better people, which also leads to higher maturity. Story of subconscious. Have you guys seen a child playing and no one paying attention? But when the same child hurts herself, everyone runs towards the child and asks what happened. We program the subconscious of child into believing that crying draws attention. Subconscious is driving her, making more emotional and future. This is clearly a subconscious choice and not the conscious one. One should pamper your subconscious with positive thoughts and let it know our preferences. Kaizen. Have you heard of the Japanese term Kaizen? Kai means continuous and Zen means improvement. This method helps to improve the productivity of an organization. It does this by taking small steps that lead to improvement. Whatever thing you like or you're good at, like writing, sport, or anything, you get good results when you are consistent and improving daily. Failure, a turning point. According to the book, God upsets your plan because He wants to execute His plan. So one should never lose hopes if we don't get what we aspired for. But what I believe is dreaming, thinking about my dream, goals, visualizing it 24/7, and you're definitely going to reach there as it fits into your subconscious mind, and you just have to keep going with the flow. Teachings of Guru. Teachers, we can also call them guru, coach, or madam. They are the one who show our capabilities, strength with which we can fight weaknesses. The greatness of coach is to show the player how capable he is, and the greatness of a student is to live up to the capabilities he has been shown. We should never remove the teachings of the teacher, or nothing of us will remain. Change, when monitored and sustained long enough, becomes a culture. What separates legend from the rest of the world? Whenever legends embrace change, they monitor and sustain till it becomes their culture. On the contrary, the rest of the world embraces temporary changes only to lose them for want of monitoring them. Hypocrites. Hypocrites are those who sweet talk on the face and badmouth behind our back. We shamelessly distort image of people through gossip. Million lives will be saved from suicide if gossipers choose to give moral support to emotionally hurt. Education. Swami Vivekananda said, "We want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet." Experiences are a great teacher, and that is, it either gives you what you want or gives you the awareness. I personally believe in practical education for the development of individual, society, and the country. So let us not only count marks but also count life. Unposted Letter is an excellent read. Every letter in the book is gem. This book is more about self-introspection. What I like the most about book is short and simple principles, easy language, author's word that enters directly into one's mind. Book contains deep and profound reflections on many topics related to life, work, situation, and attitude. It can change your way towards certain things and make your life more richer and enjoyable. Thank you.